Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Linear Issue Tracker, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To log into the Linear Issue Tracker, begin by opening your web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Linear. Press the Enter key to navigate to the website. Once the website loads, look for the Login button in the upper right corner of the page. Click on the Login button. You will be directed to the Login page. Here, you will see fields to enter your email and password. Input your email associated with your Linear account. Next, enter your password in the designated field. If you want to stay logged in for future visits, check the box for Remember Me. After filling in your credentials, click the Login button to proceed. If your credentials are correct, you will be taken to your Linear dashboard. In case you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password via email. If you encounter any issues, ensure that you have a stable internet connection. Once logged in, you can start managing your projects and issues within Linear. Congratulations, you are now logged into Linear Issue Tracker. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.